Hello guys, hopefully you all will be fine. Today I got a new mining website for all of you. You can see it to Tron.com. You can see its legality by seeing its effects. Now I am going to show you how you can register on this website without wasting any time. Click on register. You just need to put your email and your username on this website. You have to password and re-password. Then if you I will give you a link in the description. If you click on it, then my reference link automatically here. Then you have to just fill up this captcha and click on register. Since I already have account, now I am going to log in on this website without wasting any time. Now I will tell you anything about this website in deep. Now we are in our website. Now I am going to show you how you can see here how much people deposit on this website and how my people take their withdraw without any hesitation by using their TRX wallet address. Now I am going to show you how you can start your mining. Your mining will automatically start when you log in on this website without any deposit. Now I am going to show you. You have to just put your wallet address on the here, and then you have to put your email here, and you have to put your deposit, how much you can want to deposit on this website by taking your speed on the sky, mining speed on the sky. Since I already have another trick for you to improve your mining speed without deposit on this website, you have to deposit at least 20 TRX on this website to take your first withdrawal. And this is not free, give us free withdrawal. We have to deposit only 20 TRX on this website to take our first withdrawal. You can see here our first level registered 0.4 TRX we get, and second level 0.02 TRX we get. You can see here we get our reference link here. You can expand and share this link as much as you can. Other people click on your link and join this website. You will be rewarded after other people join this website. You can see every of its validity and benefits. Now I am going to show you how you can take your withdrawal on this website. You just have to put here at least 6 TRX. Then you can have to put your wallet address on this website and click on withdraw. You can take your withdrawal easily. You can withdraw once every 24 hours. You can take your withdrawal every 24 hours. You can withdraw 20 minimum TRX on this website. And I already tell you. Now I am going to show you how you can get 10 TRX freely by share your link, YouTube link. You have to put your URL video referral here and click on add. You can get 15 TRX reward with 5% daily bonus for each video. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me a thumb button and provide me your valuable comments in the comments section, and subscribe my channel for future video.